Man, these bugs are bad. Hi, my name's Todd Green, and we've just been traveling west into the sun and been blasted by bugs this evening, and I want to show you something that we have invented called the Road Wave. It's an onboard pressure washing system. I can pull over anywhere, which I just did at an exit, and we're going to wash the windshield so I can continue safely driving. So I just hit my generator switch. My water pump is on. We're going to wash the windshield. It's mounted permanently in the motorhome. So all I have to do is turn the switch on. I have pressure. I have 50 foot of non-marring hose. I can wash both sides of the motorhome, but right now we're concerned about the windshield. I'm going to wet the motorhome down and we'll do a little washing. Take a look at this mirror. Isn't that a mess? It won't be for long. So there you have it, an onboard pressure washing system anytime, anywhere. Now we can get back on the road, enjoy our evening drive. We'll see you next time at the Road Wave. See me on the road. Wave.